Welcome to Upcycling with Deb. I'm your host, Deb Colameta. I wrote a #1 best-selling book called Best Offer, Best Life. And if you'd like to get a free downloadable guide, please visit my website, thedebsite.com. When you are trying to purge and declutter your space, or as I prefer to look at it, when you are looking for inventory to sell in your own home, don't personify your things. Your items are inanimate. They do not have feelings. You have the feelings that are attached to that item. Don't confuse the two. If you have a bathrobe that you're looking to get rid of, you can free cycle that as a textile item and it can be recycled into a new product. You could take it and donate it as clothing if it's in excellent condition. If you feel like saying, I was wearing this bathrobe for 5 Christmases in a row, watching my kids open up Christmas gifts, this has so much sentimental value. You're not going to lose the memories of those Christmas experiences just because you get rid of the bathrobe. Try to separate the two. Don't personify your things. Don't attach personalities to them. When you have stuffed animals that you're trying to get rid of, you look at them and you remember the time in your life when you or your child loved and snuggled with that stuffed animal. But the reality is, it's just fabric, it's just cloth. So try to get rid of it in a responsible way. Can you take those stuffed animals and donate them to an animal shelter to help the animals snuggle with a little stuffed animal? Or can you donate it in a textile bin to recycle those materials into new materials? How can you recycle those things that you no longer need anymore? And I actually have seen people giving away very like new stuffed animals on free cycling sites as well. I'm not into that idea because I don't know. I feel like you never know with fabric things what could be. It's kind of germy to me. It's just stuff. It doesn't have feelings. It's not mad at you for throwing it away. You should be proud of yourself for taking the steps to clear out your space. You're making your home easier to clean and maintain. Trust me, it's way easier when you have less things in your home when you're trying to keep a space clean. Now, as I've said many times, I don't have a minimalist home. We have stuff. We have books on our shelves. I think people probably think it's pretty neat, but I don't think anyone's also going to mistake me for a minimalist anytime soon. I do have some knickknacks that have meaning, and we have things on the counters, but it's at a place where I feel like if I know company is coming over in 10 or 15 minutes or someone pops by, I'm not at all embarrassed by my space. And I feel like it can be reset in pretty short order. So do what you can to get rid of the excess stuff in your space, the things that you're not using anymore. You will thank yourself when it comes time to clean your home. And don't get caught up in being overly sentimental about your things. So many times you can replace it if you really had to, but you're probably not even going to. So don't give your items a personality. Don't personify your things. Just get them out of your space for the win. Thanks for listening to this episode of Upcycling with Deb. I'm Deb Colameta. Head over to my website, thedebsite.com, for your free downloadable guide and connect with me on Facebook and Instagram at Deb Colameta. Thanks for hanging out.